Morning campers, it's 9:26 and I'm down at, it's not Romsey, is it?
Yeah, it is. Wow.
Yeah,
just outside.
Yeah, just outside Romsey. I'm sat here with Jane. She just brought me a cup of coffee and hung it through the window. So I got up. Here she is.
I got him up a bit early. He was a grumpy bear when I tapped his window.
Then I've been woke up in the morning. Yeah, she got me up for me to go on through the Ron, but it's going to be rush hour now, so I'm going to go for a bit. And there's a couple little jobs to do on her van. I mean, I'll have a little look at that. And, but it's coming on. It's looking good. It's She wants some names. Wants some ideas of some names. She was on about a sooty mobile, but I mean that's been worn out, and that's worn to death. That is.
That's all right.
You know, I did say we put a sticker on across the front with fucking horses on it.
Yeah, that's
good
idea, isn't it?
She could be the Shetland pony shagger or something, couldn't she? Whatever they fucking. Yeah. So we don't know how that's going to pertain. Anyway, what's happening today? I ain't got a clue. I'm going down to Western Shore to see Ron. He's going to be here tonight, so I expect he'll be there this morning. I'm going to leave it. I'm not going to leave here till sort of 10, 11 o'clock to get the traffic to clear.
Do you want a breakfast then?
Yeah. Do you want breakfast?
I've got bacon and eggs in there if you want.
Say that again.
I've got bacon and eggs in the fridge if you want a breakfast.
That's
yesterday...
fucking fine time to tell somebody, isn't it?
Oh, what's done then?
Well, what do you mean, what's the time? It's breakfast time, isn't it?
What do you want?
Yeah, of course I do.
I'll go in and I'll...
I should fucking think so. Cool, you can't... I'll tell you what, H. Come back, H. All is forgiven. Hey? I'm fucking getting looked after here again. I don't go and see them. It's Gina to say your lady friends. I'd go from meal to meal.
Meals on wheels.
Yeah, meals on wheels. Cool, yeah, I could have a breakfast.
Yeah, I'll make you breakfast.
Make you breakfast. So, there you go. Well, here we are again, back in the van. She's got that, we're going to put her boxes, and we're going to remove this shelf and see what goes on. And as you can see, 3 minutes later, it wasn't exactly screwed in, it was just sort of, I don't know. But I'm quite surprised how much room there's actually is in one of these vans. And anybody wants a cheap vehicle to run around in, I mean 1000cc, it can't be that costly to run. And it can't be that costly to run. And there's plenty of room. Getting rid of the damp there, pull all that apart, letting that dry out. The floor at the back here is been the wall. I mean the wall actually moved at the bottom, but we'll sort all that out. That's all sorted. Make some covers for the lights, I think. Some bits and pieces, and we'll see how we get on from there. Well, it's a bit of a disaster. I got out and took that cupboard out, as you've seen, and I've come back in, and the fucking bacon's still cooking. So she reckons that if it don't cook in 10 minutes, she's going to go out and switch it on.
It is.
Well, so far we've got, I said we've taken that out. I took the bed out completely, re-slatted it, and what have you, and used the original wood. I don't really like this with these metal brackets, but that's what was in here. And now, where was it moving? It had another frame along the bottom, so we've literally taken out half the amount of wood. And I got an injury. I got a bloody splinter. I don't know if you can see that, but it goes in to where that crease is. I reckon he's in there, what, a good quarter of an inch. But Dr. fucking Jane's gone to get the fucking medical equipment. She needs her spanner, so she needs a needle and some other fucking things. Here we go, then I think we'll mooch off down and find Ron.
Nice. I'm ready
We're
to
having a
go.
look.
Scissors.
Gonna try and dig this out of her with a what do you call it, where she can't find what she was looking for. So she's gone to her drug box. She's going to do it with a Stanley blade.
Here we go. Dear.
Oh, fuck.
Oh,
That was the end of it.
well, that's what I'm trying to use.
Whoa.
Sorry. Just, it's sealed over, that's what it's done. So it's got to break through that skin to come back out.
It went in easy enough. Made me fucking wince when it went in.
I bet it did. Right, let's see if I can get it now. Oh dear.
That's my belly, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was actually. Oh, fuck.
That's fucking well in there, isn't it?
Don't even know if I broke the skin with this.
It bloody hurts. Come on, Joe. Don't be like the fucking Sheffield Fairy. Don't be a fucking nod. Ow, fuck, being hurts. Don't be a girl.
Yeah, man up.
Man up.
I can see an end, but I ain't got fucking tweezers.
Oh, fuck me.
I swore.
What are you fucking doing?
I can see an end there. I'm trying to lift it so it breaks that skin.
Oh, fuck you, Jane. Oh.
Really?
Yeah. Put it on your fucking wish list.
Yeah, I think I will.
Go.
In another life, mate. In another. I can see that it's poked through, but
Oh, fuck me, that
all
hurts.
to bring it.
Well, here we are. My bloody... I can't get a thing out of everything. We took a great chunk out of it trying to dig it out, but I'm going to leave it or what to do. Anyway, I think Jane's just gone off and get my battery I got on charge, and she'll be doing what she's doing, and I'm going to mooch off and see if I can find Ron. So I'll speak to you all later. Remember, stay classy, look forward, you can love you all. Bye-bye. And you skins.